He's facing to my building.
Vincent!
What?
Calm down. It's time for our vacation. Everybody pack your bags. We're gonna go to Canada, the Netherlands, Spain, and Australia.
Australia?
Pack your stuff. Come on. Pack your stuff.
Gotta get my boot. I can't live without my parrot.
What about pop figure?
Okay. What else should I pack? My lucky gum. How will my parrot live without his friend?
Well, I can't forget about my pop figure. Can't forget about my chicken hat. Or it's actually a turkey.
Wait, what's the point of any of this stuff? That's trash. We need a pack cappuccino and mocha.
Then.
Okay.
Also, can't forget about the puppy doggy.
Okay, bye. Okay, we're not actually gonna pack them. Okay, let's go on a trip.
Going on a boat today. Oh, it's time to leave.
Say right.
Now we're going in a plane. And yeah, here we go. Right now we're in the airplane wash. Airplane wash. Da-na-na-na-na. Here comes something coming down onto our window. Backwards now. Dun, 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 dun. Fennekin's right here.
Please put on your seatbelts, passengers. We're experiencing turbulence.
What type of turbulence is that? This is what you call turbulence? I thought this was an airplane wash. This reminds me of a car. We've been on the road for so long. I meant in the air. Yeah. We've been in the air and this, for some reason, is floating in the air. We're in the sky. It's already night. Okay, let's just teleport. It's probably gonna be morning when we get to McDonald's. So let's just teleport to there. We're here now. And yeah, let's get in.
It's such a long plane flight. So, yeah,
I'm tired.
let's just try some of this new McDonald's food. I can't believe we spent $800 on plane tickets just to eat McDonald's food.
Because we're gonna try these ones right here. What is that you guys are eating already?
Honey? They gave me honey. Free honey.
Everything is here. What are you gonna try first? I'm not sure.
These franchises are from Australia.
Ooh. They really just look like regular French fries.
No, it's just that's a selectable thing.
I like French fries with only cheese.
I'm gonna get a little bit of bacon on this.
I guess I'll try it with bacon. Yeah, I'll try it. Really good?
That's really good.
Hold on, I'm just gonna.
I can get addicted to it.
I'm gonna
Yeah, but you're gonna take all of it.
Oh, I got it.
She's having apple pie. So, what do you guys think?
Actually, what I think, I tried it with just plain cheese. It tastes super salty.
Without the bacon?
Yeah.
So you like this? Good. And you, hold on?
It's like, okay.
It's,
One
it's
out of
okay.
10, I give this a 9, but it's a little too salty.
I give it a 10.
Like the cheese itself is salty, it's not the bacon.
And what do you give this? A 10? A 9?
I give it like a 5.
A 5.
Okay, we got the mixed dream bacon, which is from Spain. I'll try first. So,
Oh, that's because the extra cheese on it.
there's a sauce in here. There's like a red sauce.
It looks gross.
Kind of on the spicy side. Not too spicy though. I'll take the first bite. I also like how the cheese actually I don't like it. The cheese looks pretty weird. I like roasted the cheese though.
No, but Lord, that's dirty hands in
9 out of 10. The sauce ruins it.
The sauce ruins it.
Maybe you can ask without the sauce.
Yeah, you could probably change the sauce, but we're trying it default style, and not good.
It smells like something I smelled before, but I'm not sure what. It smells like rotten fish. One.
A 1. And you?
Over here it smells like
Can you give us your cookies?
over here it smells like bacon with rotten fish.
Okay, give that a try.
Yeah, it smells disgusting. Uh-oh.
No, I just
Uh-oh.
Just eat it. My gosh, it's weird.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
I'll give it like a 10. You like it?
Mix it up.
That's how they served it to you. They kind of just flopped it on there.
That's their fault.
They didn't position it nice.
Okay,
What's
let's
that?
fix it up.
Yellow? What's that white stuff?
It's chicken. And
It's
that's
cheese. Okay, we'll fix it up and then we'll just fix it. Don't complain about it. Don't eat it like that, please, or else it's gonna get all uneven and then we'll taste it again.
We can give it tomatoes to your baby sister. She loves tomatoes.
Okay. I like how they give such a big piece of chicken.
Yeah.
It looks pretty lean.
A 1 is bad.
That's bad.
Okay, I'll go. Well, first I'm gonna try the chicken. Chicken's lean, surprisingly, except for this little piece. So the chicken's pretty lean for McDonald's.
Tastes so bad.
Really good. That's a 10.
Let me try. You're gonna start ordering that?
It's fine. Let's see what you think about it. Ducky? Okay. Well, that's a 0 for her.
Trying not
Next up is the McFlurry. And the McFlurry is from where, guys? The Netherlands? Baby, you like it?
I bet you rates it a 10. Or even more than a 10. I'm trying it.
10? Oh, she's getting mad. She's bring it back over. 10. Does it taste better than having like M&Ms mixed in it and you know
I just think that the caramel's too hard.
too crunchy?
7. Not good. Actually, not even 7. Like a 4. Not good. I don't like that. I'd never order that.
Actually, I changed the score to a 5 because at the end tastes weird. I keep it as a 10. I keep it.
So what was your favorite item, Vincent?
Favorite item is this hamburger.
And what's your favorite item? We know it's that. We know it's that ice cream. What's your favorite thing?
I would say
The French fries?
ice cream.
The ice cream? And what's your favorite thing?
Ice cream.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye. Peace.